To be able to make yogurt at home, you need something we call yogurt starter. Let me show you how to make this at home. In a bowl, I pour in 1/3 cup of milk powder. To that, I add the same 1/3 cup of hot water. Mix all together. And then I go ahead and strain it. We are doing this to get rid of any foreign material that may find itself in the milk. Now, put a clean finger inside the milk and count up to 10. If you are able to stand the heat for 10 seconds, then you are good to go. So now we go ahead and add in our chilies. The most important thing is that the stem of the chili must be on it. It's very important. The stem must be on it. It can be dry ones or fresh ones. What I'm using here are dry ones, so you can also use fresh ones, okay? So I gently put that in the warm milk. And after putting in the chili, please don't stir and don't put your finger inside again, all right? So I will cover this and then I put this inside my ice chest. I'll first cover with a napkin. And then I add another one. Finally, I close my ice chest. We are going to allow this to rest for 17 hours. So it's already 17 hours. Let's check. Look at this carefully. I'll first take out the chilies. It's still in good shape. You can use it for food, but not for another starter, okay? Now, take a close look. The liquid you saw earlier after 17 hours is not more liquid. This is beautiful, incredible. Do you need to buy this one too, lovely viewer? No, I guess. You can make this at home and then you go ahead and use that to make your own homemade yogurt. This can last in the refrigerator for 3 good days. Thank you for watching. Bye, y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye once again.